Ohano yw Paul Hodge ag mi a drig in Lambrig and Vian, oma in Cerno. Well, Taz o fi, Halemin, Tazgwyn, Scrifer of, mi a sgrif barddoniaeth, ag artith, mes and passion mur in Bunans fi yw an iaith Cernuic.
My name's Amy O'Brien. I live in Newlyn, Cornwall, UK. I was born in Birmingham. I don't really remember much of that though. We moved down to Cornwall when I was 6. I'm currently a gardener, which is a really nice job. I have previously been a fisherman in Newlyn.
Da yw gen fi cerddys a dro yn Stenego ag yn randir baw in Cresagurno, a troweithio mor yn arfor. Ag enna mi a ra cwntl nebys rano pren. A taclo arol. Ag, well, mi a ra dri tre ag giwl taclo.
Just started pestering all the fishermen I knew, and eventually, did get taken to sea. Did 6 months sardine netting, which was great crack. And then, I just sort of fished for a couple of years. So the first boat that I fished on was the Golden Harvest. So it's a ring netter. So we fish for sardines just out in the bay here in Mounts Bay. Dusk and dawn fishing, like really beautiful. You get all the sunsets and sunrises.
If you pures the leverel nep Hano Telu, Hano Tiller, po Campol nep Kerens these, you bar than orseth, but never than parna, hag distuch if nep Kevrin gans pop on and ar doors oma. Tho hemu pithis a drif Caminiath Cerno. Hem you in Gwerin?
There's a magic down here that there isn't anywhere else in the world. And there's a draw. There's something in the bones of West Penwith, something in the granite. I don't know. It's just magic. Like that. There's no place on earth like it. It's incredible. On the darkest winter days, it's still the most beautiful place in the world. Yeah, I feel incredibly lucky to have grown up here and to be able to say this is my home and where I'm from.
Mi a Carlia's tra a dro the Gurno, Balls ran and Tailu Celtic, Gans, Tis, Iwerddonic, Albanic, Minoic, Cembric, ha Brittonic, mes, and Alweth the ra e geri ol a hemmer ag a fi yw an iaith Cernuic.
There's no maritime history in my family whatsoever. Like none of my aunts or uncles, none of my grandparents, no one's been to sea. It's just me, and that it wouldn't have happened unless I was from here.
I'm excited to meet Paul, who's a Cornish speaker and a grand bard, and learn some more Cornish from him.
Cool. Amy?
Paul.
Right,
Nice to meet you, my darling.
Well, Ilta Kazel Cernuic, I thought. Can you speak a bit of Cornish?
Only the couple of normal phrases, the normal ones. Gul Perin Lowen.
Oh, Gul Perin Lowen,
which is coming up soon, isn't it? It's in a couple of weeks.
Definitely.
And Kerno Bys Viking. Am I pronouncing that right?
Kerno Bisviken.
Kerno Bisviken, exactly. I mean, we learned that one in school. I think that's the only. Gul Perin Lowen are the only ones we kind of get taught in school, really. Or when I was.
Bit out of season, but you must have known Nadelic Lowen.
Oh, yeah, of course. Happy Christmas.
Blethen Noah Star. Blethen Noah Star?
No, I don't know that
Happy
one.
New Year.
Oh, okay.
Blethen Noah Star.
Blethen Noah Star.
For that. You're natural. Breathel is mackerel. Barvus is cod. Morvanach is monkfish.
That sounds awfully like Morvoran, which is mermaid, isn't it?
Look, good stuff. 50 Cornish names for spider crab, but canker is crab
Canker. What's king in Cornish?
Mictern.
Mictern canker. No,
Canker
canker micton.
Oh, got the right word order.
Canker micton.
Yeah,
There we go.
Better round this off with Yakasta.
Yakista.
Yakasta. And Yaith Kernuic, gans Paul Hodge. Yaith Plain and Gwari. Yaith Causis in Dewati. Yaith the Goethians Celtic. Yaith and Tyr Kernuic. Tavis Marthas Teg, the Scovorn Marweg. Yaith Hebnam, Yaith Perfaith. Miraz the Thu, Bulls Inov.